Hi guys, today we will see how to work with JavaScript objects. Basically, I am going to create an object in JavaScript, and the one which I am going to use right now is an object literal. So I start with creating an index file, and I use Visual Studio Code for opening it. So I will create an object. So this is the object which I have created right now, and right now I am planning to show you how to iterate this object. We can use for each, I mean for loop with in. So it will iterate through all the keys. And if you want the values, then we can go for like the off loop, and you can use the object dot entries or the object dot keys or the object dot values. Right now we'll go one by one. I'll comment this right now. Now I am using this for loop for extracting both the key and values. Now we can get both key and values using that object dot entries. Now we can go for finding only the keys and only the values. Right now it is giving only the position of that actually. uh, because I should use off loop. Now we'll have the key, and the same is applicable for values also. So these are the values for the name and age. So right now we have seen using the for loop actually. Right now we will see how to use this for each for iterating across this. So and before that I will try to show you how to add a value into an object, I mean a new property into an object. You can go by two ways. Either you can just give a not notation and just you can add it dot. So I'm going to give them a gender property. Then if you console.let object, you can have that newly added property there. Name, age, and gender. So right now we'll see the other way of doing this. I mean assigning new properties. You can go for object.assign. So you go like then we can even add a new property like location. Owning. So if you iterate across this, I mean in the sense if you log the object, you'll get name, age, gender, and location, which is the two new properties that we have added into that object. Now we can see how to use for loop for iterating across an JavaScript object. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the main object, and in that I am going to take the keys, and inside that keys I'm going to give the object. Then I'll go for each. So you're able to iterate through the keys, name and age is here. So we'll comment this and we'll go for object.entries. Then again, you can use the value also in here. You can see the name and age appeared here, and we have seen that object.assign, object.entry, subject.keys. So I think this is it uh, for iterating across an object. And thank you guys.